Hello all, Akriti Educations brings you the analysis on previous year IIT JEE questions. In this video, we will discuss question number 8 of section A asked in mains paper held in evening of 16th March 2021. The question says, let capital A be the set of all the natural numbers from 2 to 30 and an equivalence relation on A cross A is defined by if ordered pair A comma B is related with ordered pair C comma D, then AD is equal to BC and vice versa. Then we need to find the number of ordered pairs which satisfy this equivalence relation with ordered pair 4 comma 3. So first we study what is the difference between ordered pair and unordered pair. Ordered pair means where the order is important. For example, coordinate of any point. If you say 1 comma 2 is the coordinate of any point, then 1 comma 2 is not equal to 2 comma 1. Similarly, unordered pair means order is not important. For example, HCF of A comma B is always equal to HCF of B comma A. So here A comma B is an unordered pair. Now, in this question, we have to deal with the equivalence relation. A relation is termed as an equivalence relation if it is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. For relation to be reflexive, if A comma B is related with A comma B, then AB is equal to AB, which is always true, and vice versa. Hence, this relation is reflexive. Similarly, for a relation to be symmetric, if A comma B is related with C comma D, then it implies AD is equal to BC according to the given definition of relation, which is also equivalent to CB is equal to DA, which implies C comma D is related with A comma B. Hence, this relation is symmetric. For a relation to be transitive, if A comma B is related with C comma D and C comma D is related with E comma F, then AD is equal to BC and CF is equal to DE according to the given definition of relation, which further implies ratio A by B is equal to ratio C by D is equal to ratio E by F, or AF is equal to BE, which means A comma B is related with E comma F. Hence, the given relation is transitive. Since it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, thus the given relation is an equivalence relation. Now, in this question, we need to find the number of ordered pairs which satisfies the equivalence relation with ordered pair 4 comma 3. As we know that the set of all the elements A comma B belongs to A cross A such that A comma B is always related with X comma Y forms an equivalence class of X comma Y. Thus, in this question, we have to find the equivalence class of ordered pair 4 comma 3. Mathematically, equivalence class of X comma Y is written as set of all the ordered pairs A comma B such that if A comma B is equivalently related with X comma Y, then AY is equal to BX and vice versa, where both A comma B and X comma Y belongs to A cross A. Here AY is equal to BX, it also implies A by B is equal to X by Y. Thus, to find the equivalence class of ordered pair 4 comma 3, we need to find all the pairs which are equal to the ratio 4 by 3. So, 4 by 3 is equal to 8 by 6 is equal to 12 by 9 is equal to 16 by 12 is equal to 20 by 15 is equal to 24 by 18 and is equal to 28 by 21. We will have to stop up to 28 because the maximum element of given set A is equal to 30. Hence, the equivalence class of ordered pair 4, 3 consists 4, 3, 8, 6, 12, 9, 16, 12, 20, 15, 24, 18 and 28, 21. Hence, there are total 7 elements which satisfies the equivalence relation with ordered pair 4, 3. Or it can also be said as the cardinality of equivalence class of ordered pair 4, 3 is 7. Cardinality is defined as number of distinct elements of set. Thank you all. If you find this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates.